The best person you ever met.
That's the best person I've ever met. He's fun.
Who's fun?
How you doing? My name is Brahim Charity and I'm a founder of Maximus Care Foundation. And I brought my big guy over from today, Maximus. Everybody say, hey, Max! Hey, Max! Everybody say, hey, Max! Hey, Max! What we decided to do was pop up at Harambe Charter School to surprise our 4th grade student, Danae McNeil. She's doing extremely well in the classroom. So what me and Max decided to do was give her a new laptop, a tablet, and also children's books on behalf of Urban Tunes. And again, we want to encourage her to keep up the amazing work that she's doing in the classroom.
This was very, very exciting. I was surprised, and I think it's a wonderful idea. To get kids to learn nowadays sometimes can be hard, can be difficult. But if you have a program like this that's fun, entertaining, keep them engaged, I think it's wonderful.
Always remember, education matters.